Hello everyone, dear friends. Today our topic is time and work basic problems. Time and work basic problems. In time and work, the basic problem starts with very easy models. Like A can do a piece of work in 10 days. Same work done by B in 15 days. If in case A asking like that, how many days will be required together? If in case together, so you need to write down like simply 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15 25. 5 2s are 5 5s are, and 5 1s are 5 3s are. So 2 3s are 6 days. So together it's need to 6 days will be required. If in case asking like that, A can do a piece of work in 6 days. A with help of B, it can done by that work in 4 days. How many days will be required? B can done that work. If in case asking like this, same write down 6 into 4 divided by 6 minus 4, bigger to subtract from bigger to smaller. So 2 2s are 6 2s are 12. So B can do that work in 12 days. Alternative days. Like this, A can do a piece of work in 6 days. Same work done by B in 3 days. How many days will be required if starts with A alternatively? If in case in the question they asking alternatively starts with A. So for example 6 and 3 LCM will be 6 and 3 LCM how much? 6 LCM. So 6 is the total work. A can do that work in 6 days. That means 1 per 1 day. For example, this will be 6 chocolates, 1 chocolate per 1 day, and 6 chocolates in 3 days. That means 2 chocolates per day. Chocolates per day. Here he asking starts with A 1 and second day 2, and again A 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. Total will be 6 chocolates. First day, second day, third day, 4 day. Starts with A, it need to 4 days.